Assuming you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Ethereum, ETH, will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Ethereum, ETH, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unimaginable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015. When digital currencies were at their pinnacle, the development that was utilized to assemble Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can construct apps, decentralized applications, with no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are exceptionally modern. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an extremely lovely way. And you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The organizer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the organizers behind the Ethereum organization. However, the pioneers need to leave the organization, since it was reported as a philanthropic organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida, where the pioneers behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was planned to use in the advancement of the venture. The coin needed to sit tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the organizers, since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum a point of support on the lookout. Ethereum is a decentralized organization. The clients on the organization are called hubs, which are holding the organization's information on various servers. This makes the organization exceptionally secure from malware assaults. This is the primary distinction among Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the two organizations are putting away information in a totally different ways. The exchanges on the organization are completely open to the next network clients. Whole blocks are shared by diggers on the organization, so different clients can see what is at or erase from the organization. Ethereum past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,438.61. And ETH is right now position number 2 in the whole crypto environment. The course supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 with a market cap of $176,048,061,373. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.47% as of now. Ethereum is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ETH is down to nearly 8.28% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH diminished by 13.111%, killing an incredible normal amount of $217.07 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 12.19%. And the cost circled from a base typical cost of $1,257.77 to greatest normal cost of $1,283.59 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 20.72%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $1,306.47, and the base typical value of was around $1,200.46 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Ethereum cost expectations. ETH conjecture, by applying profound man-made reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of Ethereum. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2,095.42 in 2023. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,469.68, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,157.83, all through 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. Ethereum cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $3,027.51 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3,725.14, with the typical figure cost of $3,135.40. ETH value estimate for 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $4,399.50 in 2025. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $5,300, with the typical exchanging cost of $4,556.27, all through 2025. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2026. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach at least value worth of $6,567.34. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $7,677.24, with the typical worth of $6,749.59. Ethereum value expectation 2027. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $9,858.29 in 2027. The Ethereum cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $11,306.69, with the typical cost of $10,195.77, all through 2027. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Ethereum cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $15,190.71 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $17,309.49, with the typical figure cost of $15,700.50. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH, in 2029, the cost of Ethereum is determined to be at around a base worth of $22,249.83. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $26,550.26, with the typical exchanging worth of $23,034.86 in United States dollars. Ethereum value